Welcome back to Module 1.2, Objective B, talking about properties of addition. So here I got three different properties. The first one is called the commutative property of addition. Commutative property for addition says the order of the numbers in the addition can be reversed without changing the sum. I do agree what that says. In other words, if I have a 3 plus 14, I can also write them as 14 plus 3. So that means I can swap the order of my two numbers under the commutative property. That does not changing the sum. All right, associative property says the grouping of the numbers in addition can be changed without changing the sum. What that means is, if I can do 8 plus 12 first, then add on to the 7, it's going to be the same if I will do 12 plus 7 first, then add the 8. And that will give me the same answer. So under associative property, we are allowed to add any two numbers first of our choice and still come up with the same sum. Commutative property is saying we can swap the order of my numbers, and the sum will still be the same. So last time, in the last video, I showed y'all the way I add is to looking for numbers that can give me add up to be tens. And the reason why I'm able to do that is because associative property allow me to add any two numbers first of my choice. If I want to, rather than having the 14,284 on the top, I can actually put 9,240 on top of that and add the 14,000, and the answer will still be the same. So that will be commutative property, allow me to swap the order of my numbers when we add. All right, this one is called the additive identity property. The sum of a number and 0 is that same number. So what that's saying is 0 will be the identity for addition. Any number is always plus 0 to show itself. So the 0 is the identity under addition. So for example, this one says 9 plus 0 equal to 9. So it's still equal to itself when I plus 0. So that will be additive identity property. All right, when you look at problem like these, okay, look at the order of your number first on the left side and the right side, see if it's changing. 792, 792. So the order did not get swapped, so it's not going to be commutative. So what's changing is who is in the parenthesis, which indicates who is being added first. On the left side of the equal sign, 7 plus 9 first. But on the right side is 9 plus 2 first. So that will be the perfect example of associative property for addition. Because associative property allow me to add any two number first, okay, without changing the sum. So the third example, if you take a look, 469. This is 649. So the order of the first two numbers has been swapped. But the parenthesis who is being added did not change. So this is not associative, but the order has been changed, so it must be commutative property. So if I would swap the order on the two sides and put the parenthesis on the 4 and the 9, then that will be both property. Okay, so in this lecture video, we talk about commutative property allow me to swap the order of my numbers. Associative property allow me to add any two numbers first of my choice. And we talk about 0 being the identity for addition. All right, that will conclude this quick video. Thank you for watching.